Welcome back, guys. So to say the least, the fishing has been really tough here in Michigan. We've been getting a lot of rain, especially in the area that I am from. I just haven't had a lot of time to travel. I kind of debated on uploading this video or not, but I thought, hey, a video is better than no video. So this video is just going to consist of a few different days of fishing all in one. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bass. He like didn't even hit it on, he just kind of sucked it in. Nice little bass on that buzz bait. Skinny. Yeah, it's weird. He didn't like really blow up on it. He kind of just sucked it in. Sweet, nice little bass. All spawned out. See ya. There's one. Seems like a better bass there. That one blew up on it a little more. About the same size. Gotta love that top water bite though. On the buzzbait. Here. Oh yeah, they're all spawned out of here. Oh, I got him good. I had him real good. Sweet. Nice little green goblin. Real skinny. Can still fight though. There's one. On the frog. Frogging these thick pads. Just a little guy. It's a start. Nice hot summer day here. Gonna be chilling under those pads. Wow, look at that little guy. And go off that frog. Holy smokes. Cool, there's a start. Let's get more. All right, guys, I just hooked up on another fish. Didn't get the strike, forgot to turn my GoPro on. Definitely a thick fish though. Either that or I got a bunch of salad with him. Holy smokes. Oh my God. He got wrapped up in the weeds, look at that. That's still a good bass though. Oh my gosh. Look at all that stuff he pulled out with him. Feels like a 20-pounder. Jeez, oh Pete. Dang, I'm mad I missed that strike, but hopefully we'll get the fish here for you guys. It's a good bass, he's in there somewhere. Oh, look at that. And there's a bass. Cool, a little better than the last one. They're in there thick, guys, so I'm using heavy 30-pound braid straight to that frog just to pull them out of that stuff. That's really your best bet. Sweet. All right, guys, here's the second bass. Sorry I missed a strike there, forgot to turn my GoPro back on. But we're just frogging these thick pads today. They're gonna be chilling under there. It's a nice hot summer day. I think the frog's gonna do the trick today. Let's get this fish back in the water and get some more. There's one. Nice. Man, I went on a drought there for like an hour without a fish and finally hooked up another one. Had a blow up on one, missed it. But man, finally. Jeez. About time. Just a little guy, but man, look at that. When they want that frog, they want it. I mean, no question about it. In the throat. There we go. Cool, nice little bass on the frog. This thing's been producing today, just working that on the pads. They are hammering it. Sweet, let's get some more. There's one. Fish on. Thumped it too. Feels like a good bass.
Really?
Yeah. If it is a bass, could be a pike. Oh no, it's just wrapped up in the weeds. Just a little. Oh,
nice.
is that a?
What is it? Dogfish?
That's a little pike. Yeah, a little northern. Sweet. I figured. Yeah, I was kind of staying down, head shaking. So yeah, little northern. Nice. Heck yeah, dude. Good little northern.
I got players, I think, too.
No, I won't eat it for that. Cool, nice little northern. Gotta love the gators, bro.
That's a pretty fish.
Yeah, I love them, dude. Honestly, one of my favorite species to catch right there. Good northern. These boys get big. Upwards of 30, 40 inches. Sweet. Good little northern. Let's get it back in the water. That was sweet, dude. He hammered that. Pretty fish. Go on, buddy. Another bass right here. Let's see if we can pitch out to it. He wants the jig. Oh yeah, he wanted the jig. Nice. Gotta love that, being able to sight fish. That is my favorite. Didn't think twice about that jig. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Jeez, dude. Maybe you'll think next time about that jig, huh? Gotcha. Cool. Oh, man. Another good largie. That black and blue Strike King jig. Little bandito bug on there. Little chunk. Sweet. Maybe I'm gonna run home and grab my SD card for my main camera. Let's do that. See ya, buddy. Alrighty, and that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Again, nothing crazy, but hey, like I said, I thought a video is better than no video. Enjoy, guys. We'll see you next time. Peace.